Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again for another one of MOPA's Through My Lens. This weekly program features fun and imaginative photo activities that you can do at home, using minimal supplies and materials, things that you probably have just laying around the house. This week, we're taking a look at portraits, but with a twist. Whether it's our pose or our outfit choices, we often spend a lot of time thinking about how to convey the best part of ourselves in a photograph. But what if we thought about the camera more as a stage and of ourselves as a character? Suddenly, we're free to play with other aspects of who we are or to take on an entirely new personality altogether. For some inspiration, let's take a look at the work of photographer Cindy Sherman. She's well known for her self-portraits that explore other personalities, oftentimes inspired by movie scenes and pop culture. Using thrift store clothes and exaggerated makeup and props, Cindy plays the photographer, subject, and set designer, and gets to invite all of us into a fantasy of her own creation. To show us how to get started, let's head over to Chantal Lane, our Manager of Youth and Visitor Engagement, to Megan Swartz, our Youth Programs Coordinator, and to Anna Lane, our Featured Youth Artist.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our home. I'm Chantal from MOPA, this is my daughter Anna, and this week we are going to make family role reversal portraits. We are again taking inspiration from our youth exhibition theme, Growing Up. A big part of growing up is how your role in the family and in the household changes. What role do you play in your family? What kinds of things or activities do others in your family connect to you? What about your mom or your dad, or your brother or sister, your spouse, or your roommate? Gather up your family or household members and brainstorm it. So we now have some idea of our various roles, so let's mix it up. Each one of us is going to play somebody else in the family and we'll make some fun role-playing portraits. First, decide who you're going to play. Mix up who's in the shot and try lots of variations. And next, what kinds of props and poses can you do to represent that person? And what about that background, which you include in the shot sets the scene? Also, think about where you will place your camera using vantage point and framing. You can use a low angle called a worm's eye view to make someone appear larger, or a high angle, a bird's eye view, to make someone look smaller. Also, play with the distance from the camera to change the perception of size. Let's go to Megan, our Youth Programs Coordinator, for her take.
Hi guys, Megan here, and today we are in my backyard and we are going to be taking pictures based on our youth exhibition theme, Growing Up. We are thinking about how you can switch roles with somebody in your family, and I live with my two good friends, so I'm going to be switching roles with my roommate Amanda, who loves to garden. Alright guys, so you just saw my final images. I used portrait mode on my phone for a lot of the pictures, and we played with different angles. So I used a lot of worm's eye view and bird's eye view, and I also tested out obstructing my face a little bit with the different leaves and plants to get a cool effect.
Thanks, Megan. Whether you live with your family, your friends, or by yourself, you can have fun walking in someone else's shoes or wearing their hat and their glasses. You might even find that you get to know and understand them better. Thanks for joining us again, and make sure to check out our other videos at Museum of Photographic Arts on Facebook and YouTube. See you next time.
Don't forget to share with us what you're working on. Tag us on Instagram and Twitter at MOPASD and on Facebook at the Museum of Photographic Arts. We hope you have fun with the project, and if you're feeling inspired by your role reversal portrait, think about submitting to our annual youth exhibition. The theme this year is Growing Up, and if you're a student in grades K through 12 here in San Diego County, you're eligible to enter. The deadline has been extended to May 22nd. You can find more information at the link below. Thanks everybody again for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next week for another MOPA's Through My Lens.